Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs. Okay guys, today I have a follow-up video for the video I did before on how to delegate your Cardano ADA using the Daedalus wallet. Today I'm going to show you how to do that using the Yoroi wallet on iPhone. So go ahead and just go to your app store and go to Yoroi, and we're going to go ahead and download that right now. Just go ahead and hit get. And I'm going to walk you through the process here. I'm going to even show you my seed keys and everything, because I'm only going to put 10 ADA in this wallet and then I'm going to get rid of it. So if you guys want to go ahead and recover this wallet, you're welcome to. But I'm going to show you the whole process from start to finish. So let's just go ahead and open it. Allow it to use Bluetooth. Okay, now here you're just going to want to select your language. And I'm going to select English, as that's my language. I am doing a voiceover on this because the audio wasn't too good when I was talking, so don't mind the gestures if I'm off a little bit. Alright, so here's the terms and service. Just go ahead and scroll to the bottom and hit OK. You can read this if you'd like. Okay, now you're going to want to enter a PIN number. Make sure this is secure. Just for this video, to make it easy, I'm just going to do all 5s, but you're going to want a more secure PIN, obviously. Alright, so go ahead and enter that twice. And at the bottom where it says add wallet in green, Shelly error, let's go ahead and hit that. And then create wallet in green as well. Okay, now you just want to name your wallet. I'm just going to name mine test. You can name yours whatever you want. The password here needs to be 10 digits. This one here, as you can see, I'm just going to put some random numbers here. Letters. And make this as secure as possible, you guys. But I'll be getting rid of this, so I don't mind if you see my password. So there you go. Alright, now that we're done, let's just go ahead and move on. Hit I understand. Now, this is going to be your seed keys here. So this is something where you should absolutely write these down. Never put them on a computer. You can also put them on a USB, like a blank USB, and hide them somewhere. So go ahead and write those down, as I already did. And once you're done writing them down, you go ahead and hit next. Now here's the recovery phase. So this just says, I understand that my secret keys are held securely on this device, not on the company servers. And I understand that if the application is moved to another device or deleted, my funds can be only recovered with the backup phrase that I've written down and saved in a secure place. So let's go ahead and hit I understand on both of those, and then just go ahead and hit the green button. Alright, now what we're going to do is go ahead and the app's going to want to make sure that you went ahead and wrote down your seed keys. So go ahead and put these in order, in the way that it was written down, just how you saw like I did before. And the way they do this is really cool, so you can just keep selecting it, and it actually gets easier because there'll be less and less of them over time. I had the camera in my face, so I was kind of had my finger at an angle, so sometimes hitting the button was a little difficult, but this should be a lot easier for you if you're doing it yourself. Okay, so we're coming up at the end here. Let's just do potato, short, and then design. Alright, and if everything's okay, alright, there we go. So everything is good now. Now we have 0 ADA in this wallet. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and just pause the video. I'm going to copy this first, copy my address. Once it's copied, I'm going to head over to Daedalus, put this address in, and send 10 ADA over here. So let me just pause this video and I'll be right back. Alright, now I sent the 10 ADA over to the wallet, as you can see there. Confirmations are good. You can see high right there. So what we're going to go ahead and do is hit the delegate button on the bottom right hand side. Right there, delegate. And it's going to want a stake pool ID. You might be asking, what's a stake pool ID? Well, this is an ID that's assigned to any stake pool. And you can find this by going to pooltool.io. So let's just go ahead and go over to Google. Right there. And once we're on Pool Tool, you'll just scroll down and you can type in the abbreviation of a stake pool or the complete stake pool name. The abbreviation for Black Widow Staking is BWS, or you can type in Black Widow Staking or any other pool. Once you do that, you can just zoom in, and right below the name, you can just hit copy there, and that'll copy the pool ID. Now let's go back to the Yoroi wallet. Select the stake pool ID and just paste it right in there. Just like so. After you do that, just go ahead and hit continue. Alright, and there's our amount right there of ADA that I have in there, which is 7.82, and then just put your spending password in. Put the password that I created. Alright, now that everything's in, the last thing to do is just go ahead and hit the delegate button at the very bottom. Alright, and our transaction was submitted. Now, you just have to wait a couple minutes, and you can just refresh on the page like I did. So just keep refreshing, and it'll actually tell you when your ADA has been delegated. Right now it's saying I've not delegated anything, but as you can see, I already have. The first time I did this, it actually was really quick. This one took about a minute. But rest assured, it will come through. And there it is. As you can see, there's our Epoch 216, total ADA, total rewards, we don't have none yet, and total delegated. And we delegated to Black Widow Staking. You can even go to our website if you would like. So this is a really cool feature. This app is awesome. I know a lot of people don't have desktops anymore, so to be able to do this on a mobile device is really cool. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. If you would love to, we would love you to delegate to Black Widow Staking. We're a decentralized stake pool. We'd love to see you guys. We'll go ahead and catch you guys on the next video. Have a great day.